Want to go out for an adventure, fishing, hunting, or camping? Then choose our off-road electric bike. With fat tires, solid structure, and powerful motors, you can conquer all kinds of terrains. Nothing can stop you. Tired of congested roads? If you want to choose a healthy and environmentally friendly way to avoid traffic jams, then try our city e-bikes. Nothing like them for your commute. Say goodbye to traffic jams from now on. Oh, are you going to pick up some groceries or go to a friend's house and pick something up? Whatever you do need a good partner to help you with it. Our electric bikes are your best friend, powerful and sturdy enough to help you get things done safely and quickly. Less is more. When you want to take your family and your e-bike out for the weekend, but the car can't hold much. At this point, a foldable electric bike is particularly important. Our foldable electric bikes are compact, solid, and powerful enough to meet your every need. Don't forget to take it when you go out. Always have problems getting on a bike? But getting on our step-through frame electric bike is very gentle and elegant. Even with the step-through structure, the overall structure is still very solid. The motor is also very powerful, so don't worry that such an elegant electric bike won't give you the power you want.
If you like to buy the product, please check out the link to purchase in description below.